Hey y'all, Carrie here. I just want to hop in and basically say, missed y'all, and I have been wanting to create content earlier than this. But you can probably tell from my voice, I am extremely exhausted from the last procedure that I had, and I've just kind of been recouping. However, I have been working little bit by little bit, and I wanted to let y'all know what I have been doing behind the scenes, and just let y'all know what's coming up. So the very first thing that I've been working on is I put together a brand new lesson for the Fox course, where I basically put together a scarf, and I did this for Thanksgiving kind of / Christmas because I have an idea of what I want to do for Christmas, but I don't know if I'm going to get to it because of just how run down I am right now. That being said, I do have a new lesson inside of Watercolor Misfit Land if you want to check that out. And then another thing that's coming up, I've actually been working on this for several months, so a lot of the footage that you'll see from this particular course, I filmed months ago, and I've just been kind of doing the final touches inside of Watercolor Misfit Land, like adding images and writing up lessons and stuff. But I'm really excited to announce that I'm going to be releasing my brand new Watercolor for Beginners course, which is specifically going to be focusing on masking fluid. I've actually been working on this for several months. A lot of times in my watercolor courses that are more in depth, they take several months. This is probably 6 to 7 months of effort that I've put into this. And it is finally put all together. I filmed most of this several months ago, and I edited it probably about 3 months ago, and now I've just been finally adding images and basically little lessons inside of Watercolor Misfit Land to make it as user-friendly as possible for y'all. So I wanted to let y'all know that is coming up, and I'm going to have a special sale for that, basically a special Black Friday sale. I'm planning on starting the sale the Monday of that week, starting it early. But I'm going to be having a special sale for that, so make sure to grab that, because after that week is over, I am going to increase the price. But yeah, I'm really proud of this course. I've been working with basically masking fluid for years now, and over the years, I've kind of figured out different ways to tweak and work with this supply. I used to have a problem with ripping my paper a lot, or having it basically get so stuck to the paper that it would actually ruin it. And I have a couple of tips and tricks of how to use this, as well as I basically during this process of putting this course together, I figured out some different ways of using masking fluid other than the traditional way of using it to save the white of the paper. So if you're interested in that, please make sure to check out the link down below where you can see the specifics of what's in the course and what's going to be available in the course. And once I'm feeling better, I am planning on putting together more videos for this channel. I actually have a whole series in mind of just simple videos that I was planning on doing for November, but like I said, I am very slowed down right now. So those will probably be released in December. Anyway, lots of love, y'all. I hope you are doing well, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.